Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn about pointers. Pointers are variables that hold a memory location. I'll create a variable a, type int, and holds the value 10. Now if I want to see the value of a, I can simply say the value of a colon a. So this will print 10 because the value of a is 10. A variable holds the value 10. So, but what if I want to know where a is stored? So I need the memory address of a. How do I get that? For that we simply say ampersand a. Ampersand and variable name will always return the memory location of that variable. We have seen this in scan statements as well. This is what it means. So ampersand a will return the memory address of a. It will be a hexadigit number. If I run this code, you can see that the value of a would be 10 and the memory address of a would be this, some hex number. Now I can store this hex number inside a variable. Let me name it p. var p. I'll do a shorthand declaration for you to understand it better. Ampersand a, and I say fmt.println value of p is p and the memory address of p is ampersand p. I'll add another thing. I'll say type of p is now I'll use the reflect.type of p. So I'll save this and run this. Now as I've said, p holds the memory address of a. So by definition p is a pointer. P holds the memory address of a. So by definition p is a pointer pointing to a. Inside here we can see that the value of a is 10. We all know that. Memory address of a is some hex number. But the value of p is that hex number, the memory address of a. So this and this will be same. Because p is ampersand a, the memory address of a. So that's the value of p. Such values are held by pointers. And type of p is asterisk int. Asterisk means it is a pointer, and after that what type of variable does it hold? It is the memory address of what type of variable. Since our variable a is an int, so we get asterisk int. If our variable a was a string, we would get asterisk string, and the memory address of p would be another. You can imagine this is another variable, so it will have a completely different memory address. This is the address of p and this is the data inside p. The data inside p is the address of a. This is the concept of pointers. Now I can also say a pointer that holds another pointer, but we'll see that in the next video. For now, just look at this image. You can see that there is a variable that we created, a, type int, and this is our memory location. You can imagine this is your system. So this is your system's memory location. In my system we had this hex code, memory location of a. In this example it is 0 into 0001. This is the memory location of a and the value is 10. And now the pointer p that points to a, as we can see in this part, has the memory location 0 into 0005. But it holds the memory location of a, 0 into 0001. So this is basically pointing to a. Now this is the picture that you can imagine how it works. Now I can get the value of a using p. How do I do that? So I'll say asterisk p. This will give me the value of the memory location it holds. So P is holding this memory location, this the value of p. So if I put an asterisk before it, it will jump to this memory location and get the value. So this is the memory location of a. So this will jump to a and get this value 10. So in this part I'll get the value 10 in this part. So this is called dereferencing of a pointer. So I'll say deref of p, which should be 10. Now if I run this, I'll get all the appropriate values. The value of a is 10, memory address of a is this, value of p is the memory address of a. Dereference of p means dereferencing of the pointer p would lead me to this address, the value that is stored inside this address, and this is the memory address of a. A has value 10, so this would fetch the value 10, and type of p, as I said, it is asterisk int. Now if I create a variable that is string, b string hello, and I simply comment this and say p is %b, so now p would change, the address of p would change, the value of p would change, even this would change. Now this has the address of b, so dereferencing this would give me the value of b, which is hello. So let's see what happens. Now we can see that this part will be same, the value of p changes. Now it does not point to a, so this and this is different. You can see it is 2e1, this is something else. The deref of p is hello because b holds the value hello, the value this address holds is hello, and the type is string, so we have a pointer to string which is given by asterisk string. This is the type of p. No matter what type of data it holds, it will be the pointer to that data type. This will be all in this video. Thank you for watching.